If you don't understand the importance of your Facebook analytics, you're setting your brand up for failure. I'm going to go over the importance of these metrics and why you need to understand them right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master your social media marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In order to craft a successful social media marketing strategy, you need to consistently work on optimizing your brand's content. You need to know how your social media content is performing on a regular basis to ensure you deliver consistent value to your audience. Now, you simply can't improve the performance of your content unless you keep track of what's working and what's not. That's where your Facebook analytics come into play. By reading into the correct metrics, you not only get a better social media vision, but you're also less likely to make common mistakes. Choosing the right metrics to measure is what's ultimately going to help you steer your social media strategy in the right direction. And there are basically two steps for doing this. The first step is to know your social media objectives and goals inside and out. The more clarity you have on what you want to achieve with social media, the better you can focus on your metrics. The second step is to use an appropriate set of tools and have proper knowledge, or else you won't be able to prove a return on investment. In order to apply these two core steps efficiently, you need to keenly understand your Facebook analytics, which basically involve these two steps: collecting data from your content and various campaigns, and using that collected data to track and improve the overall performance of your social media marketing. Checking your Facebook analytics on a regular basis and efficiently reading into them will allow you to see what's actually generating results for your brand. Then you can detect upcoming trends that could be beneficial for your business. So let's go through some of those key metrics that you'll want to keep track of. Reach is the number of unique people who saw your content. Engagement tells you about the level of engagement your social media post receives in terms of likes, shares, comments, and so on. Mentions give you information about how often your brand name or particular word or phrase has been mentioned on Facebook. Your engagement rate lets you know the percentage of your followers that actually interact with your content on Facebook. Now, here are 7 practical ways Facebook analytics can help you take your brand's growth to the next level. They help you serve your audience better. They tell you the content to focus on for best results. They help you share more relevant content. They help you know your competition better. They let you formulate a better posting strategy. And they make it easy to save time. As a business, without properly understanding your data, getting ahead of your competitors on Facebook is not only difficult, but also very risky. But why? Because data is what makes your content tick. You can't analyze your audience and make sense of the results unless you have access to data. And data is only useful when it's fully understood. When you work on measuring the overall success of your Facebook content, you'll be able to get so much more out of your social media marketing efforts. To learn even more about mastering your social media marketing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.